Stop playing with me. How flat it is. Lift up on the wig. It's already laid. Y'all not see these curls? Stick it on like, go I do it like butter. WOWAfrican wig is gonna do it every time.
You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name and yo-yo. I'm only doing cash out, no need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco.
We are here with WOWAfrican and I'm super excited, girl, because it's time to get cute. We do have a thank you card. We hope you love your purchase. All of our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. We are so excited for you to join our tribe. Use our hashtag to be featured on our social media. This is the packaging. Very cute. WOWAfrican always comes through with the goodies. I love when I get an edge brush, y'all. It makes my freaking day. Yes. This hairline. I don't have to do no freaking work. Y'all, stop playing with me. What work am I gonna have to do? No cutting, no plucking, and no bleaching or no knots. Y'all know how much time that's gonna save me. Look at these juicy, do y'all not see these curls? This is straight out of the box. They are nice and soft. Like, if you really have to see, if you gotta do that, it doesn't have a smell. It got that new hair smell. That's what I love. I don't like nothing funky. First of all, let's get into the construction of this wig. When I tell you guys it's freaking fire, first thing I noticed off rip was the Velcro comb, meaning you can take it off if you don't need it, and if you need it, you can stick it on. How freaking cool is that? But then again, I was like, wait, is it gonna have that feel of like the Velcro where it's getting all stuck in your hair? With this side is soft, like this side that is left is not getting stuck, which is a good thing. Now this piece, if you put this on here, y'all see how that hooked? Y'all get my drift. Ew. My bonnet is dirty. You know, the old construction of the units where it was it's two straps in the back and it latches on, but they actually got a pull-up drawstring in the back towards the nape. I'm excited to try that feature. Like, another thing I noticed that there is no elastic band in this unit. They actually sewed down the elastic band to the back of the unit, which is gonna help it adhere down. One other thing that I loved and noticed too was the ear tabs. Because y'all know with closure, 9 out of 10 when you get them, they're gonna sit on top of your ear because of the way they construct it. This is actually designed to sit around your ears. Oh, like, I'm so excited. We put her on for the first time. Let's see. Okay, oh my goodness, I like the way, y'all should feel like the way this feels. Oh, let me say it like this, it doesn't feel like I have a wig on. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a helmet or a hat. But look how this sat around my ear, y'all. Like, this is not sitting on it. WOWAfrican, y'all doing the thing. I need to adjust the drawstring in the back to see how that feels. I'm super excited to do that. Okay, to get it snug. Oh, I like this. Then you just tuck the string under there and boom. Oh, I like this. I like the way it feels. So this is the hairline. Look how natural that looks. Looks like a fresh relaxer type of vibe. Just turn it to the side so you guys can see how flat it is. You don't have no lifting. Your center lifts. It's not truly glueless. I don't care what nobody says. It should be laying flat all the way across, just like that. No excuses, okay? We done. Y'all, this video was 2 minutes. So this is what it would give if I did absolutely nothing to it. Quality of this hair. Y'all already know I always say curly hair, wash it because it be feeling a little dry. Not WOWAfrican. Baby, when I tell you these curls are super duper soft, like I don't need to add moisture or nothing. It is literally, it's good to go. Now it's time to do just a little bit of customization. I just want to take some of my cream foundation and I took the darker shade, put some of this brush, and we just go tap it lightly on the outside of the lace. Y'all, lately I just been loving like not middle parts, but I think I'm gonna keep it in the middle since it came like that. So we're just gonna straighten up this part a little bit, not too much, not too much. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with some wax, and we're just gonna hot comb the hairline because it's already laid. Of course, it's already laid. We're just gonna hot comb. We can go in with that same Ruby Kisses cream foundation to define the part. I like to use the darker shade because I feel like it looks more natural with the shade darker. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it and detangle the hair. Y'all, look at this. How am I able to do this? Okay, we got a tangle, but still, look. I'm able to freaking run my hands through this. This hair is so soft, y'all. But yeah, I'm just fluffing it out to give it more volume. Because I definitely don't want to go in and do no type of, put in any product on it, y'all. Look at this. I'm going to tangle under here. And y'all see my fingers just glided through. I ain't even got no brush, no comb. And I always said that's the secret to knowing if you got some good quality curly hair is that you can literally run your fingers through it. You might have a few snags and tags here and there, but for the most part, your hands can glide through it like butter. Okay, so this is the more defined side. This is how it comes straight out the pack. Cutesy, but this side, what side do y'all think eat more? The side fluffed out or how it comes? I feel like I didn't do nothing to this install. I did a little bit of hot combing, you know, but it doesn't feel like an install. Just literally feels like I just took it out and put it on my head, which of course we did. Okay, so I did get some shedding, which is normal. Could you be able to do this if your wig was glued down? I think not. You wouldn't be able to swivel the comb around there. You wouldn't be able to lift up on the wig. Y'all, stop playing. Okay, I'm literally done. Like, I can go on about my merry way. Oh, let me show you guys what the back look like with these curls fluffed out. I want to do baby hairs. At least try that because I just don't want to secure it down. When they don't give you a melting band, you don't need to melt it. And I'm just going to do some light ones. I done lost the edge brush. No, I was excited about using that. I'm taking this ORS gel and I'm going to do some light baby hair. That's about the size I want them. Look at this. I don't need to say anything more, right? You guys get it. It's giving what she's supposed to give. I love it. I love this freaking wig. All right, y'all. So this is going to conclude today's video, y'all. I really, 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 really love this wig. I'm really kind of upset that I didn't have this wig in the beginning of the summer. I could have been slaying every day, all day, okay? I feel like this is an easy everyday wig as well. If you guys don't like doing too much, you don't like all that work and all that bleaching and the cutting and the plucking and stuff, this is going to cut down your install time greatly. This is literally a wig that you can throw on the go. It's not glued down. Like, I still can put my comb through there. Did not glue her down. She's just down on the sides with the baby hairs. But y'all, this is a cute mother-freaking unit that you need to try out. And y'all already know, when it comes down to companies that I stand 10 toes behind, it's WOWAfrican, because when I tell you they do not play, they do not play. Love, love, love everything about this unit. Of course, this unit does shed. All virgin hair units shed, so I'm not gonna sit up, it doesn't shed, it don't do nothing. It did shed, and it did do tangling as well when I was detangling the hair using my fingers. Now, please buy some great products for this beautiful unit. When you go purchase this unit, make sure you're getting the top quality shampoos and condition to upkeep your hair, okay? Stop trying to use Dollar Tree shampoo and conditioners on good quality wigs. I don't know why y'all keep doing that. Stop it. And these curls eat down. Now, this is probably the first install I did without even touching the curls. So my overall rating for this wig alone, I'm gonna have to give this one a 2,000 out of 10. WOWAfrican wig is gonna do it every time. So I will have this wig, if you're interested, in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's install. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.